But it's me, Miss You, and we are going to be sketching the more difficult sketch. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to switch to millimeters. Right next to Onshape, it says workspace units, and mine is already in millimeters. You might have to change yours. Okay. The next thing that we're going to do, I want to remind you that we have to go through the origin. So we're going to go to the front view. That's where we're going to create our sketch. We're going to go create a sketch. Okay, and I have to select the plane I want to sketch on, and of course it's going to be front view. I'm going to do this whole thing with line draw. So I'm going to get my line over here, and I'm going to go to the origin because I need to make sure that I pass through the origin, and I tend to forget. Um, and I'm going to just go do the general shape. Okay, it does not matter how yours looks really, but you want to get all the angles in, and this is the general outline. Now I'm going to go around dimensioning it. So we're still in sketch mode. I'm now going to select the dimension button. It's a D right over here, and I'm going to begin over. I'm going to begin, I think, over here. You could start wherever you want, and it's 18.34. Okay. I'm next going to go 44. Next, I'm going to go 18. Next, I'm going to go 30. And the next step is 50. So they skipped one of the measurements because it's clear that it is 50 subtracting 30. So in order to do that measurement, we're going to highlight this side and then this side, and that will give us a measurement of 50. So I'm still in the dimension mode. I always check. I'm selecting it, and then I'm selecting this one over here, and I could tell I want it between those sides. And I'm going to write 50, right? This is 20. This is 42. This is 46. Okay, and there's an angle in between. So let's figure out how to get the angle. You want to highlight this line and then that line. So let's do the highlight. 1, 2, and I could see that we're looking for an angle, and we're going to write 144, and that changes the total shape. And this height over here is 9.78. And if you have all those and there's no conflicts, it is correct. And let's take a look at it at the isometric view. First, let me check out. And we go isometric view, and there we have some type of a weird shape.